Before you throw away that ramen cup or yogurt container, let's turn it into a mini garden. Clean it thoroughly and then you can make holes at the bottom this way. Be very careful with your fingers. Try to do it gently. And then I'm adding some dry leaves at the bottom. You can even add some pebbles if you want. And then putting some soil. And finally the plant. So in this I'm going to use this Mother of Thousand. Mother of Thousand is a very easygoing plant. It does not require much care, not much water. It loves sunlight, so we'll make sure that we keep it in a spot where it gets indirect or direct sunlight most of the time. After planting, just water it. And here you go. Same way with the other ramen cup. I'm putting some dry leaves at the bottom, some soil, and in this I'm going to plant mini jade. Mini jade is also a very hardy plant. This also does not require much sunlight, and it does not require much water, but it will require sunlight. Just press it a bit inside. Then you can put some more soil on the top. Make sure it is stable. It stands stable in the soil. Finally water it. Once you are done, and then you can keep them in indirect sunlight. Now I am using the yogurt container, same way. Try to make holes in this. The more holes, the better it is, so that the excess water seeps out and it prevents the root rot. But be very careful when you're making holes. Some dry leaves, soil, and this I'm going to plant this is a kind of wandering Jew. Wandering Jews are very easy to propagate. So I'm just taking the cutting. Take the cutting, remove some leaves from the bottom, and then you can directly put it or insert in the soil. If plants make you as happy as they make me, you'll love this channel. Hit subscribe and follow for more. Finally, water it in a way so that the excess water comes out from the drainage hole. See, I have used one of the cups, Christmas cups, to grow this another variety of mother of thousand. Yeah, so see how beautiful they look. So try to upcycle your kitchen waste rather than throwing it. By growing lots of greens, you can even grow vegetables. You can grow microgreens. Try to reuse it, try to upcycle it. In Japan, the planters are very expensive, so I try to upcycle all these containers. See, this is the ruby necklace which I have been growing earlier, and it is growing up so beautifully. And this is hydrilla. Both are sun loving, so I have kept them in my small balcony garden. These I have kept it in indirect sunlight. So this is how simple it is. You can always grow something or the else, even if you have small space, by upcycling these kind of containers from your kitchen rather than throwing them.